Bitcoin right now is doing exactly like how we anticipated, and I'm sure you guys want to find out what's next, because on my previous video I showed you guys with so many different examples that after finding support above this monthly S1 line, the price of Bitcoin has a very high probability of getting attracted on the 61,000 before choosing a trend duration. And if you look at this price action right now, exactly after reaching around this monthly CPI line, the price of Bitcoin has started to show weakness, but parallelly we are also facing resistance from this Williams alligator indicator, which we are going to talk in this video. But first thing first, guys, please try that like button, and to those individuals watching this for the first time, hit that subscribe button. And also a quick reminder, if you haven't claimed this free 500 USDT futures position airdrop from Bybit, and in addition to that another free 200 USDT futures position airdrop from Bybit, then I suggest you guys to check the video description. And now first thing first, let's look at this descending channel. Descending channel is a bullish continuation pattern, but inside descending channel we see price making lower highs, lower lows, continuation pattern. Even though the price of Bitcoin was clearly breaking below the support from this descending channel, the lower trend line, which was around 50 to 53,000, I was there, I was shouting on top of my lungs to wait until this key line of support gets broken before looking for any short opportunity. Otherwise it is going to play out as a lower highs, lower lows continuation pattern, where the price, after testing the support around this lower trend line, could be getting attracted towards the upper trend line, which in our case it's above 65,000. Yes guys, this here is also pointing us that price, after breaking out of this key line of resistance, should be preparing itself for another continuation here to the upside, because we were aware beside this descending channel, even this descending broadening wedge was clearly pointing us that each and every time whenever the price after this bearish move got attracted towards the lower trend line, it did resulted in a bullish move. I mean, you can see when the price of Bitcoin got attracted towards this lower trend line, it always resulted in a very bullish move. Price also got attracted towards this upper trend line. So if this exact scenario is going to repeat again, you can see 67,000 for the coming, this could be attracting us. Yes guys, once we overcome the key line of resistance which we have right now, the upcoming days for Bitcoin, according to this descending broadening wedge, according to this falling channel, descending channel, actually looks very bullish. And now, even in a weekly time frame, sorry, in a monthly time frame, we were aware during this pre-halving, post-halving shakeout, the price in the past price action always followed this expansion trend line. And when we retested this trend line after the halving, you can see first halving, we tested this trend line. After the halving, it resulted, right? It resulted in a very bullish move. Same thing happened here. Price was following this expansion trend line, this yellow trend line, and after the halving we got attracted around this trend line, just like from this past price action, and only after that started showing this actual bullish move. Same thing happened here. Price was following this expansion trend line, and after the third halving we also got attracted towards this rising trend line, and after that you can see what happened, a new bullish move. And now if we look in our case, we found out that this could be the final test, just like from this past price action after the halving, before turning parabolic. So in a bigger picture, the price of Bitcoin was clearly printing some bullish scenario. And we also found out that in the past price action, the price of Bitcoin only started with a bearish move when we found out the RSI, the monthly RSI, was around the overbought area. You can see monthly RSI overbought resulted in a bearish move. Monthly RSI overbought resulted in a bearish move. And in our case, you can see this RSI is nowhere around the overbought area, which is also indicating us any sort of a shakeout should be very short-lived, and price after that could be heading towards to form another new all-time high. And until this RSI also starts appearing in an overbought area just like this one here, until then, we are expecting the price of Bitcoin to remain bullish. And not just only that, even with the help of this weekly chart, we found out that during uptrend, during an actual bull market rally, we have seen plenty of shakeout. I mean 20, 30, even up to 40% retracement, which was very normal. And at the end, the price was still able to make a new all-time high. So even if this here is going to result in another continuation in a bigger picture, that might be just a temporary pullback before starting with another bullish move for the upcoming weeks, even for the upcoming month. Yes guys, the price of Bitcoin in a bigger picture is actually turning very bullish, but in the medium short term we have to overcome this key line of resistance if we want to see the price of Bitcoin getting attracted towards this upper trend line from the descending broadening wedge, upper trend line from this descending channel, which is this Williams alligator indicator. Yes guys, according to this Williams alligator indicator, since the price is below it, this same trend line which during uptrend acts as support, you can see during uptrend it usually acts as support, will be acting as resistance. So right now this Williams alligator indicator, which sits around 61,000 to 63,000, will be looked as a line of resistance. So if the price of Bitcoin wants to show another continuation like this, another parabolic move, first we have to overcome the resistance from this Williams alligator indicator, because parallelly beside this Williams alligator indicator we also have resistance from this monthly CPR line. Let me show you that here. Now, before we start talking about this interesting scenario, I just want you guys to do me a favor and quickly destroy that like button. And guys, let's try to reach at least 1,000 likes in this video, because video like this takes a lot of time, takes a lot of energy. So if you appreciate what I'm doing, then please destroy that like button right now. So along with the resistance from this Williams alligator indicator, you can see we also have resistance from this leading indicator for this month of August. Yes guys, this leading indicator here will be looked as a line of resistance. So this trend line, which sits in between 61,000 63,000, must be broken if the price wants to show an actual continuation like this. Yes guys, breaking out from this monthly CPR means we will be also breaking out the resistance from this Williams alligator indicator, which will be preparing ourselves for another bullish continuation, which could bring the price of Bitcoin easily above 65,000. Yes guys, this Williams alligator indicator, this monthly CPR for now will be looked as a line of resistance. So this line must be broken if the price wants to see an actual bullish continuation. But right now, if you look at this price action in a bit different way, I mean, you can see guys, yes, we are facing resistance after reaching 62,000, because this trend line in the past price action acted as a strong line of support. You can see whenever the price came across the 62,000, it acted as a strong line of support, and this exact trend line is holding us right now. So if the price manages to find proper support above the CPR line, above this Williams alligator indicator, you can see even according to this daily chart, this descending broadening wedge will be attracting us, and that is also somewhere around 65 to 67,000. So many confluence around the 65 67,000. So I personally think after breaking out of this key trend line, this line will be attracting us. And guys, please be aware, yes, in the medium short term this resistance might be holding us. This resistance might be holding us because parallelly the price of Bitcoin also looks like it is following this bump and run reversal bottom pattern. Yes guys, according to this reversal pattern, we have already broken out of this key line of resistance, this falling trend line leading phase. This trend line was a very important line of resistance for us. This line has been broken, price has resulted in a bullish move. But now what could be happening here? Just like from this example, we could be coming back to this support, throw back to trend line. So if we see another continuation like this, please do not panic. This exact trend line, which in the past price action acted as resistance, will be looked as a line of support. So remaining above 56,000 means the price for the coming days, even after this bearish move, could be preparing itself for another continuation following this uphill run. I mean, this bump and run reversal bottom, and after testing, after this throwback, we are going to start with a new run, which is our uphill run. So this is what I see looking at the price action of Bitcoin in a different time frame using different scenarios. Again guys, if you have any doubt, I suggest you to simply zoom out, because in a bigger picture there is nothing to worry about. Even if the price in the medium short term shows weakness, in a bigger picture there is nothing to worry about. So these were some of the quick updates that I wanted to share with you in this video. If you enjoyed my work, then please guys do not hesitate to destroy that like button, and to those individuals watching this for the first time, to hit that subscribe button. And also a quick reminder, if you haven't claimed this free 500 USDT futures position airdrop from Bybit, and additional to that another free 200 USDT futures position airdrop from Bybit, then I suggest you guys to check the video description right now. And by saying this, I'm signing out until next time. Bye bye.